to improve your bar chords. So the first tip is an exercise. I mean, an exercise, it's like a workout for the finger. So you just do this on all the frets. You pay attention that the thumb is always, it doesn't stay here, okay? It always stays with the hand, like this, okay? You can do this. This is really great, okay? It kind of warms you up really fast. Second is how to approach it. Because instead of thinking like that you need to squeeze like a mad, like the neck, you need to just use the fat of your finger, basically, okay? And block, everyone is different, so it's gonna change. But try to notice where is your finger the most, like naturally, without pressing too much. Try to use the fat of your finger here to really block the string. Because if I want to bar here, for instance, for me it's more difficult. I need more strength if I use this part of the finger. When here, as I have a lot of fat here, you see, I mean, we are talking about like, you know, not real fat, but I will use this part to actually block here the first strings, which requires less strength for my hand, so for my fingers. So it just makes a slight difference. But if you have a lot of bar chords in your set, it's really helpful. So rather than thinking strength, think smart, okay? Where is my finger the better placed to block the string? Like, how can I use my finger most efficiently to really block the strings? Another thing, this is the part that you want to use for the bar chord, okay? And not this. Don't try this because it's just not natural. You know what I mean? It's really the edge, the diagonal of your finger here that's blocking the string. All right, hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and like the video if you do, and I see you next time. Bye.